Welcome to the Rlaarlo Engineering Workshop. Today we'll introduce the ROG1 monster truck and the functions and how to use its remote controller. We press the power button and opening the remote control cover. There are some function buttons and knobs. The first row of buttons is for steering trim. We can adjust the front wheel angle using the left and right buttons. Pressing the right button slightly turns the wheels to the right. Pressing the left button slightly turns the wheels to the left. This button is typically used to center the wheels. The second row of buttons adjusts the servo steering range. When we press the right button, the power switch flashes, indicating the servo's steering angle is at its maximum. You can see the steering angle by the wheel movement. Pressing the left button reduces the steering range, and the servo's steering movement will also decrease. The third row knob adjusts the throttle range. The arrow at 100 indicates full power. You can adjust the throttle range using the knob as needed. For beginners, it is recommended to set the speed to 50%. The remote control is powered by 4 AA batteries. There are polarity indicators when you open the battery cover. Be mindful of the correct orientation when installing batteries. That's all for this video. Thank you again for visiting the Rlaarlo Engineering Workshop.